Hi kids, we're in Gigi and Papa's kitchen today, and we are going to do a quick peach cobbler. So here I already have 2 cups of self-rising flour. Mix that in there. I do mine a little bit different than other people do, so just an idea in case you don't like the way everyone else is doing it.
Now what was that you just put in there, sir?
I'm sorry, yes, 2 cups of sugar.
2 cups, sir.
And then
Just got a stick of melted butter there.
I have a stick of melted butter that we're fixing to put in here.
Got 2 cans of peaches.
Yep, that's 2 cans of peaches, and I like to cut mine into a little bit smaller pieces because that way everybody gets some peaches and they get cobbler instead of, yeah, with everybody instead of. Again, this is made with love, guys.
You can't put too many peaches in a cobbler.
We're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some good McCormick cinnamon in here.
Yes.
I love McCormick's, especially their cinnamon.
Like Gigi said, this is made with love, and we hope everyone's having a blessed, wonderful
yes.
day. Thank you for viewing and watching. And
yep, we appreciate you.
we would appreciate it if you commented on what you'd like to see.
Absolutely.
If you haven't, please subscribe, like, subscribe, tell others.
We're just your everyday Gigi and Papa, and
just piddling.
Yeah.
We'd love to.
we like to piddle. Like to a little bit of everything.
Definitely love to eat.
Yeah, we love to eat. So sometimes when your flour or your sugar has sat for a while, it kind of gets clumpy. So don't be afraid to go in with clean hands and just kind of hit the high spots and the big spots. And
because Gigi had this ready to roll before taping, and she realized she didn't have any baking powder, so it's
then I had to go to the grocery store.
Yes.
So now I'm going to take my stick of melted real butter, which you can use whatever you got in your refrigerator, whatever you can afford. And
one thing about Gigi's recipes, they'll always have a stick of butter in it. So
probably, almost always.
If we forget it, just add a stick.
Yep. And I do my peach cobbler a little bit different than everybody else. So I like to just kind of mix my butter in with my flour and sugar.
So again, this was 1 stick of melted butter.
2 cups of regular sugar.
2 cups of regular sugar.
2 cups of self-rising flour.
Yep.
And we're going in
A little bit of cinnamon.
with
and this right here is some brown sugar.
Yep.
Probably what, a 1/2 cup, G?
About a, quarter to a half.
1/4 cup of brown sugar.
I have small hands, so I go with a handful. See how it's kind of clumpy, and to me that's what makes a good cobbler. Here we go. So now we're going to go in with our 2 regular sized cans of peaches, and it looks a lot different. It looks almost like a lot more due to the fact that I like to cut mine up prior. A lot of people like to do it in the pan. So,
and it's okay to have the juice. Leave the juice with it.
And some people say don't stir it.
Leave the juice with the peaches.
Absolutely. That's a golden ticket right there.
Yes.
And then I like to just kind of mix it all up. Again, it's made with love, and we're just gonna run with it and go with it. And that looks really good to me. I'm just gonna probably do 1 more little sprinkle of cinnamon.
A little bit more cinnamon.
Yep. And this is gonna go in the oven at 350, and probably, I don't know, 20 minutes, I guess. And I'll show you guys when it comes out. Thanks. Bye.
Thanks, y'all. See you next time. Now we're back.
Okay, we're back now. Sorry, we're so new at this, but it's fun.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try it out. Why not? Like I said, if nothing comes of this except my kids one day being able to watch back these videos, and my grandkids, makes my heart just sing. So
we just figured we'd share it with the world.
That's right.
Anybody that take time to watch the video, we appreciate it. And hopefully you can use one of these recipes and make your family something.
Yep.
A meal with love.
Get this over here.
She grated some cheese here to go along with the other cheese.
Put a little bit of salt. Cheese is salty anyway, so I try to cut back on the salt when making this. And I like to put my salt and pepper in with the flour and the butter. I just feel like, you know, people toast their spices. That's just kind of how I feel about that. So we're going to go in start with a can of evaporated milk, not sweetened condensed, just regular old pet evaporated milk. I'm going to turn this up just a little bit. There we go.
How's our cobbler?
Oh, the cobbler is smelling righteous. Ooh, she almost, oh, my glasses. She's almost done.
Fogged up.
Yeah. All right, baby. Put that on about 8 if you have an electric stove. Pour in some more evaporated milk. Here's my thing. It can be clumpy. I'm okay with that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Perfect. Give it going a little bit more. There you go. You want it just a little bit looser so that way when you add your cheese makes it perfect. So we're going to take our cheese. Sorry. Just going to put it in about 4s like that. Just rip them apart. You can use Velveeta. You can use Kraft Deluxe. You can use Kroger, Publix, Save a Lot.
Whatever you have,
whatever you have. If you get it at Dollar Tree, it doesn't matter where it comes from.
Use whatever you can get. That's what's great about ours.
That's right. You get it where you can get it, how you can get it. And
some things we use name brand on, some things cost cutter. I mean, it's just,
and some things, guys, watch this.
It just really doesn't matter with us.
This is a fun thing today that I went to the grocery store and a box of Cheez-Its, reduced fat. I'm okay with that. On the clearance bin for 97 cents. Parm crisp, 75 cents. Yeah. I mean, come on.
Yeah.
Love it.
We'll do something with it.
With the price of groceries today.
You got to cut corners where you can.
That's right. Absolutely. See? It's going to get in here. That'll be a good snack one afternoon or late night snack, whatever. And it's there. As a reclosable bag. Good to go. All right. I'm going to start adding a little bit more of this cheese. Like I said, I'm making a small batch of mac and cheese. Like I know anything about a small batch, right?
Yeah.
I'm attempting a small batch, guys. I'm attempting it. Well, if I hold that, can you grab me the garlic powder, please?
I most certainly can.
I apologize. Okay, so I like to put a little bit of garlic powder in my mac and cheese, and I love this Cavender's Greek seasoning. This is just kind of something I've always used.
She uses it in everything.
I do. Pork, chicken, vegetarian,
she loves it.
hibachi.
She even puts it in her eggs.
I probably do. You're probably right. See? It's just cheese sauce.
She's turning.
It's just a fun little cheese sauce.
She's turning.
Go ahead and use this. Up.
We don't have the exact measurements on the cheese. She just.
It's about 4 ounces.
Is it about
yes,
4
sir,
ounces?
because I double checked it. About 4.5 ounces.
So just add as much
Yeah,
as you want.
that's it. So watch this. This is very unconventional. We're going to go ahead and use the rest of this because we're going to be baking this mac and cheese.
Yep.
So I'm going to set this over here for right now, and I think our cobbler's done.
All right.
So let's get something to get it out. It's beautiful.
Chocolate cobbler.
Yay.
Look at that right there, yeah.
Oh. Let me get a spoon.
Would you look at that? Some of that page cobbler and some ice cream.
See the texture? It's more like a cake,
Yep.
but it's very much a cobbler.
Absolutely.
So
Good job, Gigi.
thanks. I hope that there's a nice warm bite for you, Papa.
I don't want one, baby.
It's very hard this minute.
Thank you.
So I'm going to take this cheese, pour it in what I'm going to bake this in.
So she's also going to bake this macaroni and cheese on 350.
Yes, I'll probably turn it to 375.
You want me to turn it up?
Yes, sir, please. If you don't mind. Look at that. And then and here comes our pasta. Good old elbow macaroni. I just drained it. I did not rinse it or anything. I actually should have saved a little bit of the pasta water. That was my fault. I'm just kind of, again, I'm new at all this, and
She's not new at cooking.
I'm not new at cooking.
She just gets a little excited when
do.
she just does these videos.
I do. It's just a lot of fun. Our kids have said for years, Mom, you should video this. This is long before social media of any type, whether it be for hot wings and mac and cheese, anything. And so I figured, you know what? Why not?
Better late than never.
That's right. That's me. Better late than
Like she
never.
said, at the end of the day, they'll be able to watch them years from now, hopefully. And
I pray. Our daughter has asked me to do a handwritten cookbook for her. And I feel bad that I did not get it done this year.
Video cookbook.
So right now, I'm kind of doing just a cookbook video for it right now.
Video cookbook right here.
And I do hope that she enjoys it. I know she will.
You done with this side, Gigi?
Yes, sir, I am. Thank you. I'm horrendous, you guys, for not turning off the stove. So please do better than me. Here we go. So, you know what an 8-ounce block of cheese looks like. So that's what, 5 maybe?
Over half of it.
Yep. Put the rest of it in here.
On 375 for how long?
About 30 minutes.
Alrighty.
There we go. Yum.
And we'll be back.
Thanks.
Thanks everybody for watching.